Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about one of the biggest collaborations of all 2019. Travis Scott and Jordan Brand been dropping nothing but heat every time they got together. When they came out with the 4s, the Houston Oilers 4s, those was fire, sold out everywhere. They came out with the retro ones, with the backwards swoosh on there and everything, the brown joints, the different color laces, those sold out everywhere, man. Now they releasing the Retro 6, Travis Scott and Jordan Brand collaboration, man. This shoe is crazy, man. We're going to get into it. I was able to get my hands on a pair. It's not a men's pair. It's a grade school pair. I did what I could, man. You know, I know you guys want to see the shoe, so I was able to get my hands on a grade school pair, and you guys are going to see it here on this channel. But before we get into the shoe, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also, be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I ain't gonna do too much talking. We're gonna get straight into this shoe. Here you guys go. Air Jordan 6, Travis Scott collaboration. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, the shoe is pretty much olive green with black and infrared hints around the shoe. Has the icy sole on the bottom. You know, you got black hair on the sole. Pretty much got the holes and everything, like pretty much on every other Retro 6. The tongue is not made out of mesh, it's made out of like a canvas with the holes in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. You know, you got the black tip right here, of course. Flip the shoe over to the other side. You know, more of the same. You got the black sole here. You got the icy sole, black up here. You got the infrared airbag. Flip it over to the back. You got the Cactus Jack logo here on the right foot, and on the left foot you got the Nike Air. On the pull tag, got the black with the infrared here. Got the pocket right here. Of course, you know, you can throw something in here for people, you know, who smoke weed. You can put your weed in here, keep it fresh, or you can just put some money in here to hold it down, or whatever you want to do with it. You know, you got the Jordan logo right here on the tongue. Got the standard holes up here on the Retro 6, man. I just think this shoe is crazy, man. I didn't think it was that fire. I didn't even try to get a pair for myself. I actually tried to get a pair for my son and took a huge L on that. You already know L Train Gang. I know a lot of people took a L, but these is fire, man. I definitely should have tried to get me a pair of these for the toe, because these is clean. This olive green, I like from the pictures don't do no justice on these. These are crazy right here. I wasn't expecting them to look this good in person. They look crazy in person, man. Like, if y'all able to, you know, go to your local consignment stores. I know it's consignment stores all around the world. I'm sure some people are gonna have these in there, so go in there and see how they look. I know the resale is crazy right now, but these are crazy right here. Like, this might be the shoe of the year right here. In my opinion, this might be the shoe of the year. These are fire, man. Y'all don't think? Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Leave in the comments below. Let me know if y'all were able to secure a pair or y'all took an L just like me. Let me know. Leave in the comments below, man. These are crazy, man. Like, look at this, bro. This shoe is fire. Bro, like, gotta give it to Travis Scott, man. He's been dropping some heat, man. All the joints he pretty much put together. The Air Force 1s, the 4s, the retro ones. I can't think of any other collaboration he did at this time, but he's been doing his numbers, man. I ain't gonna even hold you. This is fire. This Hunter Green right here, and this came out the perfect time too, because, you know, fall's coming up. And you know Hunter Green is a fall colorway, man. This is crazy, man. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely going to have to give these, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies. This shoe is fire right here. Clean. I don't see any flaws on this shoe at all. At all. Just straight clean. Like, no flaws at all. Like, these is fire, man. Even right here on the shoe thing, it says Cactus Jack. I don't know if y'all can see that. If y'all could, you know. But these is crazy, man. Look at that. even to the bottom. And the Retro 6s is one of my favorite Jordans anyway, so these are clean, man. Let me know what y'all think about them. Leave it in the comments below. Whew. Got the beige hair on the sole. These are crazy. These are crazy, man. Like I said, man, leave it in the comments below. If y'all think these are fire, leave it in the comments below. If y'all think they trash, leave it in the comments below. I got another question for y'all. Do y'all think Travis Scott has some of the best collaborations when it comes to sneaker wise in the game, man? Leave that in the comments below, man. If y'all want me to do a video on that, I'll definitely do a video on that. But he's been coming with it. He's definitely been doing this. You could tell he's a student of the game. But Travis Scott is he's one of the new guys with the sneaker thing like that, man. But Nike and Jordan Brand and some of the other up and coming not up and coming sneaker brands, but some of the big sneaker brands need to give people like Wale a shot, man. Wale is definitely a pillar in the sneaker community. So same thing with Trinidad James, a pillar in the sneaker community, man. I think those guys should get a shot too, because I'm sure they can come out with some dope. I know Wale, he did a pair of Asics. He did a couple shoes, but I think he really need to get his shot. Nike need to give him a shot, because he's definitely a pillar in the game, man. Shout out to all the pillars in the game, DJ Clark Kent, all the people I look up to in the sneaker game, man. But with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.